eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is going to be really fun. It's a Thanksgiving makeup look and I love all the colors that I use for this look. Very warm, burgundies, orange. I'm starting off with some eyeshadow shields just to kind of help guide me through the process. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my eyelids and just prep them for eyeshadow. I'm just using a little damp beauty sponge to blend everything in and just make a nice canvas. I'm going to be using this Pixie eyeshadow palette for part of the look, and I'm taking this skin colored eyeshadow to prep the skin on the eyes, and then this lighter orange color for the transition.
What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around.
And then I'm taking this more medium orange color just to go back on the transition. These eyeshadows are not too pigmented, so they were actually really easy to blend, and so it just makes it really nice and easy to do the transition. So I feel like it was really helpful. And then I am going to use the Morphe 3502 palette for some of the other eyeshadows. I'm using this orange shade just to go in on the transition, just blending everything out. And then I'm going in with the brown eyeshadow from the Pixie palette just to kind of darken the outer area of the eye and just like slowly dragging this in towards the inner of the eye, just making a more diffused color. Now with a matte black eyeshadow from the same Morphe palette, I'm going back on the outer corner of the eye and just slowly bringing this inwards. And then now with the brown matte eyeshadow, I'm just taking this on the outer part of the eye and just kind of smoking this in. I am going to go back in later with a few more eyeshadows, and now I am cutting the crease. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I am just cutting oh so slowly, just trying to get it as nice and as perfect as I can get it. So I'm creating like a fourth of a circle, and I'm just kind of going like halfway, maybe like 3/4 into the crease. So now I'm taking this really pretty shimmery orange eyeshadow. I'm just packing this on where I added the concealer and then just adding more so that it's really nice and pigmented. So now I'm taking this more of a what is this color? It's like a cherry. It's not a cherry, it's like an apple color, this like reddish color. So I'm taking this red color and just putting it on the center area, just kind of blending it in with the shimmery orange and that brown. We're creating kind of like a gradient effect. It doesn't have to be perfect just yet because we are going to be using a few more eyeshadows just to like blend everything in really nicely. So I'm using this more deep orange color. This color is pretty pigmented, and I'm taking this on top of the like black and that red color and just kind of creating a more seamless transition. And I'm just now cleaning the brow bone. I'm taking this matte shadow just to clean everything up, and then just going back in with the blending brushes that I was using earlier just to blend things out as I go. Going back in with that same concealer and just kind of like cleaning up this area. I felt like it needed to be like a little bit more sharp. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so these are like glitter eyeshadows. They're so good. They're by Pixie. They're very similar to the Stila ones. So if you're looking for like a more affordable option, these are seriously so good. They come in different colors. I love this one. I'm putting it on the inner corner and like on the cut area. I think it's just so fun, and it makes it look like, you know, kind of glam, and I love glitter, so I thought it was really fun. And now I am putting mascara. I feel like mascara is so helpful when I'm doing my eyeliner and also when I'm putting on my falsies. So I always make sure to put mascara just to prep for what's to come. I'm using my Stila eyeliner. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I'm using the color Intense Black, and the eyeshadow shields just kind of help guide you. So maybe if you're having like issues doing your eyeshadow or like your eyeliner, this could be helpful for you. Okay, so I have used these shadow shields before, but like They were so hard to take off, you guys. I'm not even kidding you. And I feel like this is not very anti-aging whatsoever. Like it was just really tugging on my skin. So I don't know that I'll be using it that often. I don't know, maybe it was just this one that was like really sticky. So now I'm just kind of going and just kind of blending out those harsh lines that I got from the eyeshadow shield. And at this point, my eyes were getting so watery. It was seriously like so stressful. I just like had to wipe them down several times and just retouch. So I just cleaned my skin just really quick, and I'm using a primer. This is the Rose Flash Balm by Pixi, just kind of prepping the skin for my foundation. And I am using the Too Faced foundation, the Born This Way. You guys, I love this foundation. I recently started trying it. I know it's not new in the market, but it's new to me. It's so beautiful. It's like the perfect satin finish. It has such good coverage. You can build up the coverage. It's very long lasting, not too matte, not too dewy. It's just so nice. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely check it out. Now I'm just using a damp beauty blender just to like perfect everything, make everything look nice and flawless. And going back in with my favorite concealer, because I use this, I swear, like all the time, the Tarte Shape Tape. You guys, I really do use this every single day. And I have tried other concealers, but I just can't find one that's better than this. Like, it's just so good. So yes, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and just blending everything in with this little beauty sponge. My husband walked in, so I thought it was funny. And now I'm just using the Hourglass Loose Setting Powder. I will link everything that I'm using below, so don't you worry. I will have everything there. Now I'm just baking my face, making, you know, that dimension come back in. I am adding my bronzer. I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer. I love this shade. And yes, I am using it during the fall. It's like a warm, sun-kissed color, but I love this color so much.
You've got 'em trained. I know what you're thinking. What's it gonna take?
Now I am doing the bottom eyeshadow. So I'm just taking like the same orange colors I used earlier, the lights, the mediums, just diffusing this under the eye area. I'm not going like doing anything too crazy, just a nice diffused, blended out look. And I am just cleaning off all of that bakage, cleaning off the baking from the under eyes, the forehead, you know, just wherever we put on that loose setting powder. And for blush, I mixed a few different blushes. I'm using the Ginger Pop by Clinique and then the Luminoso by Milani. So I just wanted something like kind of orangey, you know, in that family. I'm just quickly contouring my nose. I do have a tutorial on my nose contouring routine, so I will link that below, so make sure you check it out if you are interested. I'm just going to skip through this a little bit. I'm just cleaning everything up just to prep for what's to come next for the makeup. And at this point, you guys, I was seriously so frustrated because I worked so hard on this look and the inner corner of my makeup just kept getting messed up because my eyes were getting so watery. Does this happen to any of you? And if it does, have you found a solution? Please let me know if you have. I'm using a new set of Dodo lashes, you guys. I love these lashes. I am using the D301. These are seriously so beautiful. They are very fluffy. They're very similar to like top of the line lashes that I have tried. And they're also affordable. I do have a discount code that I will link below if you're interested in getting a discount and just trying these lashes out. I am now doing my brows. I did have my brows done before the video, but I'm just putting on a little bit of a tinted brow gel just because I wanted them to just, you know, be nice and finish and just kind of bring the whole makeup look together. So I'm just doing those really quick. And now I'm just putting a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes just to finish off the makeup look on the eyes. And of course, MAC Fix Plus, one of my favorite products that I have been using for a very long time now. I love using this just to set the makeup, get it ready for highlighter. I'm using the Farsali Jelly Beam. This highlighter is so fun. It's like jelly, like slime, and it's kind of tricky to put on. So I use a damp beauty blender and I'm using it on the high points of the cheekbones and the tip of the nose. Okay, and this lip liner, you guys, The name is so funny. It's by NYX. It's called Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. In parentheses, it says, this lip liner is so good, the name had to be this long. So that's kind of funny. It's called Sugar Glass. And for lipstick, I'm using the MAC Creme de Nude lipstick just to create a nice, beautiful nude lip. And that's the entire makeup look. I hope you guys have the best Thanksgiving. If you don't want to use this for Thanksgiving, you can use it for whatever you like. Hopefully you enjoyed this makeup look, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.